Happily ever after. Princess Marina and Prince Mark open a springtime together.
You are very pretty. Please marry me when we are older.
Yes, of course. Then we can live happily ever after.
The princess always wears lots of jewelry. Today she's wearing her gold crown, her earrings and her new diamond ring.
I love my ring. It's the prettiest ring in the world.
Come on, Marina. Let's go swimming.
The prince and princess sometimes go to the swimming pool and they sometimes go to the lake.
Let's swim in the lake today. It's nice and sunny.
Okay.
Princess Marina takes off her jewelry.
I'm not talking of my crown. A real prince never takes off his crown.
Suddenly, the prince and princess see a gigant eagle.
Aha! A gold crown.
Don't be scared, Marina. I can protect you.
I'm not scared.
Help! Help!
Don't be scared, Mark. I can save you.
The princess puts on her jewelry.
I've got an idea.
Princess Marina is very brave. She goes into the forest and talks to the eagle.
Please, free Prince Mark. Have my gold crown. No, I prefer the prince crown.
Princess Marina is sad, but she has another idea.
Please, free Prince Mark. Have my crown and my pearl earrings. No, I prefer the prince crown.
Princess Marina is sad, but she makes a decision.
Please, free Prince Mark. Have my crown, my pearl earrings, and my diamond ring. Okay.
But when the prince sees Marina, is very angry.
Where's your pretty jewelry?
The eagle has got it. But you are free and we can live together.
But you haven't got a crown. You don't look like a real princess.
You don't mind like a real prince. I don't want you anymore.
The prince and princess don't get married and they don't live happily ever after.